It's saying that we've been here for like 120 years and we sold this juice to Jesus. That does not make your product irresistible. Hey you guys, your product is boring. Here's what you should offer instead. Let me break this down. But first, before I do that, if you stick to the end, I have a challenge for you should you choose to accept it. Now, whether you are new to business or you have established business and you're struggling with selling your products and services, you probably heard people say you need an offer or you need to improve your offer. And if you're wondering what in the world is an offer and why do I need one and what an offer is not, then that's why you need to watch this video. So in marketing and sales, we have this thing called offer creation, and it's what you use to sell your products and services. And having an irresistible offer is the most important but least understood methods when it comes to selling and marketing, especially selling online. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Galyn. I am the founder of G.R.I.T.S production. G.R.I.T stands for Girl Raised in the South, because I'm just south of Atlanta. It's a creative marketing firm for small businesses who want to reach, speak to, and convert new loyal clients online effortlessly. I work with some of the best and well-known business coaches and entrepreneurs like the Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi. If you have a favorite business coach, I'm more than likely their favorite marketing strategist. My goal is to get you to understand why you should create an offer for anything that you sell. Think about the last time you asked for somebody's money or information, contact information like their name, phone number, email address, or just simply their time and their attention. It's so much easier. You will have to agree with me that it's so much easier to offer them something, trade something in exchange for that information or that money or that time and attention, right? Well, the thing that you're exchanging, the thing that you're trading for the information, that is your offer. It's not just your product, it is your offer. And the more irresistible and the more sexier and juicier your offer is, the more likely people are to part ways with their money and their information with you. Keep in mind that your product is not your offer. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're a fitness instructor or a personal trainer, a wellness coach, or anything, nutritionist, anything in the health and wellness field, and you provide services for clients with their health or losing weight. Let's say losing weight, and you decide like, hey, I'm providing these services, I want to add some more streams of income, maybe like merch, like hats and t-shirts, or e-commerce store, like selling physical products such as weight loss supplements. You're helping them lose weight with the nutrition and the coaching and the fitness training, but now you want to help them with other products and services like weight loss supplements. And you go to AliExpress or Alibaba and you find some good supplements. You've done the research and you want to white label them and put your logo and your brand on them and sell them to your client. Lo and behold, when you get ready to launch, you realize that, whoa, everybody and their mama are selling the same exact supplements, including Amazon. Now, let's say the client that you are servicing through whatever it is that you do, coaching, fitness training, personal training, or nutrition, whatever it is you do, you tell your clients like, hey, I got these weight loss supplements, and your clients are interested, and they say, well, Amazon sells these for like $20 or Walmart has them for like $15, and you are selling yours for $60. How is it possible, and it is possible, how is it possible that you are making more money and able to actually sell those supplements for $60 when, people can get them cheaper off Amazon or from Walmart? Like, how is it possible? Well, it is possible. I'm going to tell you how. It's because you created an offer. You took some valuable things, some products, and you bundled it and you combined it together and you sold it along with your product, along with the weight loss supplement. So let's say you were to only sell the weight loss supplements. The weight loss supplements, the bottle of supplements, that is your product, okay? And when you just sell the bottle of supplements, when you just sell the product alone, it is a commodity. It is nothing different than a pair of shoes, a outfit, a clothing, like t-shirts, a hat. Is nothing different. It's nothing special. It's nothing unique. And when you're not selling something unique or special, when you're selling the same exact thing that Walmart, Amazon, or anybody else out in the market is selling the same exact thing, that means it is a commodity, and people tend to compare like products with price. Like that's the only way they can compare and shop between two of the same types of products. Which one is the cheapest? So my question to you is, what is your offer? What is it that you provide that can possibly make people buy a product from you when somebody else or another retailer is selling the same thing? Why would people buy your supplements when it's 4 times the cheapest bottle out in the market? Being that you are a fitness instructor or a personal trainer, or you are a wellness coach or a nutritionist, you have studied nutrition and health and wellness. You know about the body. You have worked with clients, and you know that weight loss supplements alone is not going to get them the best results. So what you decided to do is, not only are you going to sell the supplements, you're going to add in something like a weight loss guide, a step-by-step manual of when to work out, what time of day to work out, what types of workouts you should have, in addition to maybe a meal plan to go with that, and a grocery list so they know what to shop for to have healthy meals. You also know that they can get long-term results when they are able to track their progress. So you may sell some type of calorie counter, some type of way, some app or software or tool where they can track their workouts, so they can track the meals, how many macros and all that kind of stuff that they're consuming, the percentage of proteins and carbs and fats. You have something where they can calculate and track all of that. You are now offering not just the product, that you're offering a weight loss guide, a meal plan, a grocery list. You have some type of calorie counter, something for them to track their progress. I mean, when you think about that, all that combined is worth so much more and has so much more value than just a $20 bottle of weight loss supplements, right? So much more value than the $60 bottle that you're actually selling. So far, we talked about what an offer is. Now let's talk about what an offer is not. And I've already told you that the offer is not the product, okay? The offer is the things that you add to the product, in addition to the product, the value that you're putting on for the product, right? An offer is not one of those terrible taglines, mantras, slogans, or value statement where it says like, we are family oriented, or we're a faith-based business, or we're locally owned, and saying that we've been here for like 120 years and we sold this juice to Jesus. That does not make your product irresistible. That's not an offer at all. The ability to say, here's what my product is and here's what I'm offering that's going to get you value, that's going to get you results, and it's worth so much more. Like, the value that I'm offering is so much more than the price you're actually paying to get the product. That's when your offer is irresistible. It's when people are like, I'm getting all of this for only $60. That's when you know you got a sexy, juicy, irresistible offer. Let's say you sell jewelry, right? Let's say maybe you're selling the same wedding ring as Kay's Jewelers or G.R.I.T.S or Tiffany's. Let's say you're selling the same wedding ring. What makes your wedding ring so much more irresistible than Tiffany's? Why would people buy your wedding ring versus a wedding ring at G.R.I.T.S is what I'm saying. So let's think about how much value you can add to that product. Let's say, you work in a place where you use your hands and you get dirty, right? So what if not only I'm going to give you the wedding ring, what if I give you unlimited cleaning, make your diamond shine and your band shine? I give you unlimited cleaning for like 12 months. Thank you. Because I don't sell jewelry. So when people get married, throughout the marriage, throughout their life, they lose weight and they gain weight. So sometimes your wedding ring is going to be too small, and sometimes it's going to be a little too loose. So what if I give you a lifetime supply or a lifetime resizing. Like as you gain weight or lose weight, you can always come in and I can resize the band. I have no clue if a jewelry can do that. Let's say that, you know, when you first got married, let's say the husband, you know, your fiance at the time, he had just started out, you were young, fresh out of college, and you know, he was entry level, wasn't really making the best pay, but 5 or 10 years down the road, his career is thriving and you have a totally different lifestyle, and now you want to upgrade the wedding ring. So what if I offer a 5 or 10 year upgrade, or a upsize on the diamond, or something like that, or a ring enhancement where you might have bought like a gold band, now you can get a platinum band. You might have had a small half-carat diamond. I may upgrade it to a 1-carat diamond. Not only you getting a wedding ring, Tiffany's is just selling a really expensive wedding ring for like $5,000. You're selling the exact same wedding ring for $10,000. Why are you selling double the price? You're not Tiffany's, you're not the blue box, but for $10,000 you're going to get the $5,000 wedding ring. You're going to get unlimited cleaning and shining for the first 12 months. You're going to get a lifetime of resizing. You're going to get to upgrade the band or the diamond, the jewelry within 5 or 10 years. I mean, when you add all that up, isn't it worth more than the actual cost of the ring? It's the value is so much higher than the price that you're paying for the ring. It's like a no-brainer why they should buy a ring from you versus G.R.I.T. or Tiffany's or any other jewelry retailer, right? If you like this video and you would like to see more about sales and marketing and offers and messaging, please subscribe to my channel. You're gonna love it. Give me a like, hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next video. Like I mentioned in the beginning, here's my challenge to you. Should you accept it? I have 3 things I want you to do. First thing I want you to do is in the comments below, tell me what your product is, what you're selling, the actual product. Then tell me the current price of your product. That's number 2. And third is, what would you offer to increase the value of that product? In other words, what would you add? What products would you bundle? What services would you provide? What would be the extra mile that you would take for your customer in order to be able to increase the price, where you don't have to discount your product and you don't have to compete with price? What would you add to the product? I'm really interested in seeing what you provide along with your products. I mean, just think, it's going to be a full comment section of nothing but value. Hope you like this video. Please, again, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and remember, stop selling the product and sell the offer.